Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with an update on our project in Cameron, Missouri. We are in the process right now, just doing the last little bit of prep work on our holes. We got a couple already finished up right now. This one right here, you can see we're at the footing. Shouldn't take long to finish that. The main thing we are focusing on right now is getting these holes in the corner finished up. The two on the outer corners are going to be King Pier 1s, so those are the ones where we will have to excavate 49 inches below the footing instead of the standard 13. And then once we have that excavation all complete, we will pour 3 feet of high-strength concrete, and that's going to be our platform that we install our piers on. We're looking at tomorrow to be able to get everything put in the ground, get the piers in. Worst case scenario, maybe Thursday morning, just to we do have to saw cut our 6th and final hole inside the garage, kind of right by the wood steps going inside the house, but it's shouldn't be a deep dig compared to any on the outside. But yeah, as of right now, we are still looking to be able to get everything finished up by Friday. So we're hoping all the piers and the final pour of concrete to encase those piers will be finished up by Thursday afternoon, and then Friday we can just focus on backfill. So stay tuned for more updates. We'll have a few more later in the week. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. While you're there, we'd really appreciate if you could leave a like and subscribe. You can always go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and again, don't forget, you can always give us a call, reach us directly at 1-816-288-4373.